This is live now on the 13th of September. This is how they keep North Africa in destitution, starvation, and for control of Agenda 21, 2025 weather and 2030, all part of the agenda. Now what you'll see here, I've speeded this up. It's the 13th of November, which is a Monday, 2017. Okay, let me just stop this for a second. You've got rains that would have come across here and big rains that would have come into North Africa here. And what happens, you'll see the digital signatures and the frequencies inside here, and then they hit it on this patch here. There's also something on the islands here. There's NextRads on there, which I've done videos on. So let's play this and play it slower. So you see the frequencies race across there. We'll concentrate on this place here. Heavy rains were going to come in here. Look at this. And that would have turned in. And see how they hit it there? Let's just wind that back. Bang. They drop the lot. Any chance of precipitation there gets wiped out. You see it? Right here on this angle. Bang. And the proverbial fingerprint square that comes in here. Again, they're hitting it across here. All this rain gets wiped out. You can see this is the direction it's heading in, straight into Africa. This rain wouldn't have flooded the place, but once the rains start coming in, it spreads further and further and further, so they nip it right in the bud before even the slightest chance of any rain gets in there. Yes, there's high temperatures here that dry it out, but if it keeps feeding in, eventually the rains run out. And this place could have had fantastic rains at this time of the year, but it's deliberate. And here's the second line. Just watch this. These single dots of rains, you can see the lines, see the frequency drifting in, and you will also see this line here going backwards against the wind. If I speed it up just a little bit, when it comes round now, watch this. See the line going backwards, changing the range, knocked it out, bang, hit it there, then they hit it there. So it goes there, hits it there, it starts raining, bang, and hits it from NextRads here. The other one is a signature of lines which come across into mid-Africa, which is this line here, and lines here, 1, 2, 3. And you see the proverbial anode and diode waves which are there rolling round. Let's take it one stage at a time. So you see the signature even here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a curvature, and you see these moving. You see it moving in a line, pulling all the rains out of it. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, perfectly spaced. Final look. Let's play this. And that's what we're seeing, folks. That's how they do it. This is a total hate, evil hate of humanity to keep men, women and children under the thumb with no food, no water. And that's why the BBC announced a few months ago millions starving to death in Northern Africa. They are ruthless. And this is null school. You can even see it here. This is where these temperatures eventually would cool it here in the coast as they come in, and the moisture would follow. And you've got a perfect line all the way down there, which is what we've just seen. This is a constant moment in time, just repeating, not over a long period. It's live now as it's happening. If I pause it, you can see there's a couple of areas of moisture there where the blue is, but they are stopping this. In fact, if you were to look at this area here, that should have extended further in, the same as the other side as these warmer air hit the cool air and bring it across.